Hello, so I have made a lot of things utilizing the microcontroller, the converter, and the new tube and the tube with some sophisticated semiconductors. But indeed, I had no experience to make simple radio. And this time I made, as you see, the breadboard radio using the 385. It's a twin triode. And the operation is as follows. As you see, the capacitors and the bar antennas working as a resonator. And after resonator, the selected RF signal goes to the one of the twin triode and amplified. The RF signal is amplified, and the signal goes to the diode. And after that, the rectified signal, its audio signal, goes again into a second triode inside 385, and finally the amplified audio signal goes to the transformer and goes to the speaker. And currently the heat voltage just a LiPo, lithium polymer, just around 3.7 volt, 3.7 through some resistor. I adjusted the heat voltage around 3 volt, and the other voltage is as known as V plus V voltage is applied by external power supply. It is maximum voltage around 18, not 80, 18, just 18 volt. Now let's see how it works. I will switch on the power. I hope we can hear. Actually, the sound is not so loud, but it's surely working. And I can change the station. Yeah, it's working. Have fun.